There is nothing quite as scary as driving down the road and feeling your transmission slip or bang harshly into the next gear, because that is usually the sign of a major repair bill. But if you have scanned your car and found code P078A, there is still hope. This code tells us there is a malfunction with Shift Timing Solenoid B. Think of your automatic transmission as a giant hydraulic machine where fluid pressure shifts the gears. The shift solenoids are like little electric gates that open and close to direct that fluid to the right place at the right time. When the computer tries to activate solenoid B and it does not respond correctly or the timing is off, it triggers this code. The symptoms can be pretty annoying, ranging from erratic shifting and getting stuck in gear to poor acceleration and that dreaded check engine light. Before you assume your transmission is dead and start looking for a replacement, you need to check the basics, because the #1 cause for this code is actually dirty or low transmission fluid. If your fluid is old, it gets thick and full of debris, which can clog the tiny passages in the solenoid, making it stick. So your very first step is to pull the dipstick, if your car has one, and check the fluid. Is it bright red, or does it look like dark coffee and smell burnt? If it is dirty, a simple fluid and filter change might completely solve your problem. If the fluid looks perfect, you might be dealing with a wiring issue or a failed solenoid. If the solenoid is located on the outside of the transmission, you can inspect the wiring for corrosion or damage. However, on many modern cars, these solenoids are buried deep inside the transmission pan. If you're comfortable dropping the pan, you can test the solenoid resistance with a multimeter to see if it is within the manufacturer's specs. If this sounds a bit too intense, do not hesitate to take it to a pro, but definitely start with that fluid check because it is often the cheapest and easiest fix.